Hi guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I'm going to introduce another sublimation fabric face mask for you guys. Let's unpack this mask here. This package includes one mask and two PM 2.5 filters and two rubber bands. This mask is made of 100% polyester. It's reusable, hand washable, and machine washable, and very soft and comfortable to wear. Each one comes with a little pocket to hold the filter, and the two ear loops feature great elastic, so they can be stretched to fit your ears and won't cause any pain. The mask can be fully imprinted with images, which means that the whole mask, including the ear loops, can be sublimated. These are the printed ones. The printout colors are very beautiful. And here are the two PM 2.5 filters. They come with the package, and they are made of activated carbon and non-woven melt-blown filter cloth. They have 5 layers, which form an effective filter system that can protect from PM 2.5 and other air contaminants. The filters are not reusable or washable, so we suggest replacing it every 5 to 7 days, but you need to replace it immediately if it gets stained. Last but not least, these are the two rubber bands in the package. After sublimation printing, you can put them on the ear loops. With the rubber bands, you can adjust the ear loops to make them best fit your face and ears. Or you can simply tie knots to make the ear loops smaller. Just like that. And here are more fabric face masks we have. Which one do you want? We have larger ones for adult men and smaller ones for kids and adult women. And we have also made a video that shows how to print the masks. Please check the comment area to find the link. And if you want these amazing sublimation masks, or if you want to customize your own masks, please feel free to contact us. I'm Alex. See you in the next video.